Welcome to Flow Mini Winston-Salem, where great service is just part of the drive. Whether you're here for routine maintenance or something more, our team is here to keep your Mini performing exactly the way it should while keeping you informed every step of the way.
When you arrive, simply drive into our service lane. Our team will greet you, check you in, and review your service needs. We make sure every step is clear so there are no surprises and your vehicle gets the attention it needs efficiently. If you're staying with us, feel free to relax in our lounge with Wi-Fi, refreshments, and charging stations. If you're on the go, we'll keep you updated with text and videos so you can see exactly how your Mini is doing.
During your visit, our technicians complete a digital full multi-point inspection to make sure everything is in top condition. If we spot anything that needs attention, we'll show you exactly what we're seeing and walk you through the next steps.
Thanks for choosing Flow Mini in Winston-Salem. We appreciate the opportunity to take care of your vehicle and help keep the fun in every mile.